How many of you remember the old ballroom? Yeah, this looks a little bit different, doesn't it? It just doesn't look like the same place. Now with this enhancement, it's a wonderful thing.
We employed various strategies for improving the acoustics. The wood material brings warmth to the space. The blue is a subtle spirit color to create place for SUNY New Paltz. There's also lighting control, sound systems integrated for all of these different functions.
These upgrades would directly contribute to the betterment of the student experience, and I still believe that today. This isn't just a room, it's a place where events feel elevated, where students celebrate, connect, and create lasting traditions.
Students will love this space, including myself, and it will be used daily to bring students together and enhance their learning experience.
I look forward to seeing you in this space many times.